Hello and welcome to Fun in the Kitchen with April. And today I'm going to show you how to do a few quick meals for a girls' night in. Alright, so what we're going to do today, we're going to use some ground beef. And I'm going to show you that in a minute because I've already started cooking it. And since I was cooking, I said, you know what, let me show you guys how to do a great girls' night appetizer. And we're also going to use these biscuits that you find in any grocery store. Nothing spectacular, just some of these biscuits, but I'm using the honey butter flavor today, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that. Okay, so here I've already started my ground beef, and I use my seasoned salt to season it. That's all I'm going to need because I'm also going to put some shredded cheese into our mix. Well, not mix it into the meat, but what we're making is sort of like a hot pocket, a homemade hot pocket. And we're gonna go ahead and put some cheese on in there. You know, things that we like on a cheeseburger. Basically, is what we're making, a cheeseburger pocket, basically. And this is a nice appetizer for any little party that you plan to have, especially since we're coming upon the holidays. But I'm doing a girls' night in, so I'm making this, and this is just something great, something light, nothing too heavy, especially if you plan on having drinks at your party. Light appetizers is good because you don't, you want everybody to be social, and you don't want the food to be too heavy, but you want them to have something on their stomach. So this is what we're doing. And what I've done over here, I've taken the biscuits and I've just kind of flattened them out like this as if I'm doing pizza dough. That's all. And once our meat is done, we'll start stuffing them. And I'll show you just how we're going to stuff these. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, and so also for our girls' night, I'm doing some fried wingettes. And what I've done, I've cleaned my wingettes, I've seasoned them, and I seasoned them with my seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and I added a little curry, which is my secret. And I also seasoned the flour with the same seasonings, but I added pepper into the flour. Okay? So this is what my wingettes look like. And I'm just going to drop them into my deep fryer there and let them fry. And I'll show you what everything looks like once we are completely done, because I'm going to just drop this right on down into our grease. And I'll show you what we look like when we're done with this. Okay, and I'm back. So what I've done is I've taken these biscuits and I have flattened them out like this. Because what we want to do, we want to fill these biscuits. And we're going to have nice cheeseburger pockets or whatever you want to call them. And you can put whatever you want in here. It's yours. So whatever you like in your cheeseburger, go ahead and put it in there. So what I'm going to do, I am going to put this ground beef in here and a few of them, and I'm going to do one because I want to finish getting the rest of them in there, but I want to show you just how you can do this. Okay, so here we go. We're going to put a little bit of ground beef in there, not too much because we need to be able to close this up. We're going to put some cheese, and if y'all know me, y'all know I love me some cheese, so it's going to be overboard with the cheese. I'm sorry, and I hope you like cheese too, because nothing's better than cheese. You put cheese to it, cheese makes everything great. Yes, and we're just having a little fun tonight. We're doing a girls' night. It's one of my girlfriend's sister's birthday, and we're going to bring her birthday in right. Actually, it was the other day. So, it's the weekend, so we're celebrating now. And I am so excited to have everyone to come over and we can fellowship and have a great time. And if you want, you can also add a little bit of mustard in there. And I like spicy mustard. So a lot of times when I use mustard, you'll see me use that spicy mustard. And I'm just gonna put a little bit because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a nice dip. But I don't want this to be too dry, okay? Now, if you wanna add onions and pickles and all that, feel free to do that. But I know everyone doesn't like that. So I'm just gonna kind of make mine plain a little bit. And this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna widen it out a little bit because I wanna be able to close my pocket. Just like this. And it's okay if it starts to come out. That's all right. We're just going to stick that right on back in there. Just like this. And that mustard is going to give it an extra bit of zest to it, a little bit of spice. You know, and then we're going to have our nice dipping sauce for it. And it's just going to be so great. So yeah, add your mustard if you like. If you don't like mustard, don't add it. You can put some mayonnaise in there. Whatever you like, you put in here. But I tell you what, it's gonna be great. It really is. You need to add in your own little things that you like. There we go. And you just close it up just like that. Now again, like I said, I am using my honey butter biscuit because I wanted to add a little extra flavor there as well. And that's how you're gonna do that. And then you're going to do all the rest of them like that. You're going to pop it in the oven for maybe 15 minutes or so. And then when we take them out, they should be nice and golden brown. And I'll be back with you. Okay, and we're back. And as you can see, we have finished our girls' night entree. So we have the cheeseburger pockets, cauliflower and broccoli fritters, and our fried wings. And we also have some other things here. We have some fruit, some cake, we have some drinks. And you know what? On the next one, I'm going to show you how to make some different holiday drinks. All right, remember to like, subscribe, comment, and press the notification bell so you know when the next time I have a good recipe that you can enjoy. Bye.